So today I'm going to attempt to give you 50 financial planning tips in 5 minutes. So hopefully I'll be able to cram them all in. And there's going to be something in it for everyone. So here we go. Number 1, set your goals and write them down. Written down goals are proven to make you far more likely to succeed. Number 2, start with the end goal in mind and work backwards. You can then work out what needs to be done. Pay yourself first. Don't wait till the end of the month to see if there's any spare money left. Chances are there won't be. Number 4, always work to Pareto's principle, otherwise known as the 80-20 rule. Direct your efforts to 20% of the things that make 80% of the difference. Number 5, systemize your wealth creation strategy to save time. Number 6, create more than one wealth creation strategy. Don't rely on one source of building your wealth. Number 7, continually measure how your wealth is building over time. Number 8, identify potential risks to your plan and mitigate them as much as possible. Number 9, put insurance protection in place to make sure your mortgage is repaid if you die or contract a critical illness. Number 10, put insurance protection in place not only to make sure your mortgage is repaid, but also to make sure your family can maintain their lifestyle if you're not there. Number 11, ensure your income in case you're unable to work through illness or serious accident. Number 12, draw up a will. Make sure your assets pass to whom you choose. Number 13, put a lasting power of attorney in place so that your affairs can be administered if you become incapacitated. Number 14, always have an emergency reserve fund in place to cover unforeseen circumstances. Number 15, save for the long-term retirement plans. Number 16, save for the medium term as well so that you can access your money if you really need to. Number 17, always pay off your credit card bill at the end of every month. Number 18, pay your invoices before the due date to avoid any late payment charges. 19, complete your self-assessment tax return well before the deadline. Number 20, always pay your tax bill before the deadline as well. Number 21, don't assume that just because your investments are working well today that they will always work well for you. Number 22, systemize the review of your investment portfolio to make sure it works properly for you. Number 23, know how your investments are performing and never be left in the dark. 24, hold a diversified investment portfolio. Number 25, if you don't have the expertise to manage your investments, hire an advisor to manage your portfolio for you. 26, continue to increase your financial knowledge even if you have an advisor. Number 27, it's not just what you earn, it's what you don't spend, and then invest. Number 28, invest no less than 10% of your income each month, 15% if you can. Number 29, remember you're not immortal. Work too hard and you may become too ill to work. Number 30, make quality time with your family and do the things that help you relax. Yes, that is a financial planning tip. Number 31, keep a spreadsheet of your monthly expenditure. Number 32, check your utility costs annually to make sure you're on the best possible tariff. Number 33, create an asset statement on a spreadsheet so you can see your total net worth. Number 34, use your asset statement to calculate what inheritance tax liability you may have. Number 35, make gifts to your children and grandchildren, which will then be free of inheritance tax after 7 years. Number 36, consider using your annual gift allowance of £3,000 to pass wealth on to your children and grandchildren. Number 37, make regular gifts out of income to mitigate inheritance tax. Number 38 even, using investments that benefit from business property relief will help you mitigate against inheritance tax. Investments in this type of investment are outside of your estate after just 2 years. Number 39, take out insurance to cover your inheritance tax liability. Number 40, invest up to £40,000 a year into your pension, or as much as you can afford to. Number 41, if you're a business owner, make your pension contribution as an employer contribution to reduce your national insurance contributions. Number 42, use up unused pension contribution allowance for the previous 3 tax years. Number 43, use your annual ISA allowance for tax-free growth and possible future tax-free income. Number 44, pay off your most expensive debts before your less expensive debt. Number 45, take expert advice if you're unsure what to do or embarking on a complex financial decision. 46 even. Don't leave your financial planning to chance. Take responsibility. Number 47, review the progress of your financial plans regularly. 48, know what your tolerance to investment risk is before you start. Number 49, know how much you can afford to lose if your investment decisions go wrong. And number 50, start making contributions for your children and grandchildren of up to £3,600 a year. You will get the tax relief on those contributions. So there you have it, 50 financial planning tips in 5 minutes. Hopefully you found a few of those useful, and I'd like to leave you with just one more financial planning tip, which is my personal favourite. Failing to plan is planning to fail. My name is Martin Dodd, and once again I look forward to seeing you on the other side.